Hello friends, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to review a 4G feature phone that comes from Nokia. Nokia trying to come back their golden days with this phone. This is Nokia 6300 4G. It's also have Wi-Fi hotspot, WhatsApp, Facebook, YouTube, Google Maps, and its operating system is KaiOS. And most interesting part of this phone is this phone run by Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Let's unbox the box and see what's inside it. This is the phone and see what's other thing in the box. This is the headphone from Nokia, a premium quality headphone. A good headphone from Nokia. I love this headphone. A charger, 2.75 watt, with micro USB, battery 1500 mAh massive battery comes with this phone. And some user guides, Bangla and English. Very nice. Let's see the phone, how it looks like. By the way, if you want to know the height, body ratio and thickness of this phone, please check the description box. This phone looks so cute. 2.4-inch LCD display with removable battery. And 0.3 megapixel camera on the rear side with LED flash. This is the thickness of the phone. Micro USB input, 3.5 mm audio jack for listening music. Nothing to say about the build quality of Nokia phones. Now I am installing the SIM card and memory card. 512 MB RAM used on this phone. There are two SIM card slots. A Nano SIM card need to install. And this is the memory card. You can install up to 64 GB. And this is the battery. Very good and well built from Nokia. That's why people love Nokia. Let's turn on the phone. On the upside, Nokia gave its power button KaiOS operating system on this phone. Wow, Nokia. Remembering the old days of Nokia. Wow, nostalgia. On this phone, you can use Android apps like YouTube, Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. And Nokia give on this phone their own app store. The great part of this phone is this is 4G phone. You can browse internet with 4G speed and Wi-Fi hotspot. This is Geo SIM supported phone with VoLTE. Turning on Wi-Fi. Let's browse YouTube on this phone with 4G speed. Keep watching, guys. Everything you will get on this phone. Nowadays we need music, browser, messaging, calendar, calculator, voice recorder and some games. Let's have a look on this phone.
Baseline gonna make man shatter.
Let's browse YouTube. Turning on the Wi-Fi. Buttons are so clicky and speed is good enough. Now I am on YouTube
Baseline gonna make man shut up.
feeling some policy of robot captcha. Okay, done. Let's play a song from YouTube. Very nice, great, no lag, no buffering, 4G speed internet on this phone, really great. Speaker is also good, sound is clear. This is very good phone from Nokia and value for money on this price range. Thanks Nokia for providing good service on this phone and features. In Bangladesh, the price of this phone is 5200 taka. This is really value for money. Goodbye friends, like and subscribe my channel. See you on the next video.